enjoy this. You will be visiting almost 14 waterfalls in the next 4 days. And let me tell you, Dr. Divya Rane is chairperson of Goa Forest Development Corporation, which has started providing facilities to trekkers who visit the waterfalls. There are a lot of local trekkers also who go there. So she has started building small bridges, changing facilities, washrooms, and I'm really glad. I visited 1 or 2 waterfalls this season itself, and they are really well done. The forest department has been assisting her vehemently in providing this, and moreover, the safety of all the trekkers who visit our waterfalls. That is of utmost importance. And let me assure you, Madam, and the Forest Department, that we don't undertake any unsafe practices. Our YHS trekking programs adhere to all the safety norms. So you will not find a single mishap on our programs because we categorically follow safety. And my sincere request to you all that let us have a very safe program. Don't venture out unnecessarily to take any risky selfies, photos. No Sia point here. I hope the ladies will not push any of the gents. Just joking. But let me wish you a very happy trekking in this next 4 days, and please enjoy the range. My suggestion is
located nearby, some are nearby village, some are interior at the forest area. And it's a wonderful habitat. If you see this entire stretch, this comes under the Western Ghat, one of the biodiversity hotspot of our country. And it's a very nice place to go and all around. I just want to say some few words. First thing, most important is safety of all visitors which are going there. All signage boards are displayed at various locations. Please try to read them for 10 to 5 minutes of your trekking time, and just follow all the guidelines which are issued. Try to be on the track. Don't venture into the forest. There are very small snakes also, like speed vipers, and different varieties of vipers are found here in the foliages. So be careful when you visit them. Also, alcohol is totally banned on the forest waterfalls. So anyone, if you find anyone drinking alcohol and all, you can directly contact us on our helpline number. So we will take immediate action on them. So this waterfall are meant to be enjoyed from the smallest, youngest kids up to the adult. So hopefully you enjoy all waterfall, and thank you very much. One of the last thing I want to add, under the leadership of Madam, this year we improved surrounding waterfall. If you see the past, before 3 years, there was nothing here, no facilities. But Madam has insisted, and her Madam vision, because of that we could achieve one of the safest waterfall. This year we have improved 3 waterfall, and definitely you enjoy one. If any issues are there, then definitely directly we are there to contact. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity to talk to you.
He himself as a leader, he himself as an example which inspires many. He is doing trekking for last 36 plus years. The man here was entering Joshi sir, he is doing 42 plus years. So these are 2 stalwarts in these mountaineering areas. So please give them round of applause for such a wonderful work. The RFO of this area, the Panch, Sarpanch, Jilla Panchayat member, my colleague Raju, sir has rightly said, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, and this is very good initiative. Let me tell you, you must be working in different departments, you must be working the families. Otherwise, this is the right time to detoxify. Otherwise, maybe from digital detoxification, Gayapur is the best place. You don't find much networks on waterfall. Otherwise, the entire area is very well connected, road, network, everything is there here, right from hospitals and everything. But you need some places where you don't have network for a reason to have digital detoxification. This is right place when you are going to waterfall. Let me tell you, for people, Goa is getting maybe landing on Dapolim or Mopa, going to Baga, Kalangpur, going back. That is Goa for many of us or you, not us, many of you. But that's not the Goa, that's not the real Goa that you see. The real Goa rice in villages, the hinterland, and the traditions, the culture that you find in villages is the real culture of Goa. what you see maybe in movies or what you see in maybe news, otherwise is not true depiction of what Goa is. Goa is very beautiful. It has beautiful hinterlands. One of the hinterland areas lies in Madhe Wildlife Sanctuary. This is Valpoi Sattari Taluka, one of the biggest greenest taluka. Where we have Sangem also, where we have the Lavadi Wildlife Sanctuary. So Goa, this is the beauty of Goa. Please enjoy. Please enjoy nature in a way that will carry a lot of memories back home. You must have come with a lot of stress. Your day 1 and day 5 probably should be different. Your day 1, you must be having with a lot of stress or otherwise. But day 5 should be very low and peaceful when you go back to your hometown otherwise. I won't take much time. Honorable MLA and the chairman, really I tell you, I am a Goan. So I have seen this waterfall right from my childhood. The development which has been done on these areas, specifically you go to the Netravi Wildlife Sanctuary, you go to Madhe Wildlife Sanctuary, I think we must give credit to Goa Forest Development Corporation. They have done excellent work. Really you find that because anything that you need at this site is available. Today, earlier it was not there, and I am sure Government of Goa and the Department of Forest and GFDC chairman herself monitors this work. So this is not an easy, and I am sure YHS, this activity is going to promote Goa as hinterland tourism destination. You know, we are known as otherwise beaches and tourism, but this project we have been for last 14 years. I am sure you'll go back and tell about Sarvani waterfall, you'll tell about Pali waterfall otherwise, and that is how we'll get to know Goa more.
Welcome to Sattari, welcome to our beautiful Thane Panchayat, which is nestled at the foothills of the Western Ghats, like one of the world's greatest biodiversity hotspots. And whatever flora, fauna you have to see, you are going to see it here. This Panchayat has this beautiful river called Madhe River, which starts from this Panchayat. And as you all know, you must be knowing the Mandavi River. So the Madhe River flows and becomes the Mandavi. And the river starts from a very beautiful Sattari, from this very Panchayat, from the very beautiful village called Surla, which you may be trekking up to. I'm not very sure whether you're going to be going to the village, but it is. This beautiful village is nestled between this village and the Chola Bonga. So when you are here, as we see this, you have the wildlife sanctuary called the Madhe Wildlife Sanctuary, and we have our beautiful waterfalls. Just named a few which we have developed, which is called the Shivling waterfall, the Pali waterfall, because the stone there is shaped like a ling. So that's why we call it the Shivling waterfall. And we have the Tsarane waterfall and Naneli waterfalls. These are the 3 waterfalls which we have developed since last year in terms of facilities. Like we have built toilets there, changing rooms there. So, you know, in case you get wet or you want to spend a little extra time, it's a sanctuary, it's a forest after all. So we don't want you to get lost and, you know, stay to your route, stay to your trek and the trails. And we have built bridges so you can access the waterfall even if there's heavy rains. So Sattari Taluka is, like I say, it's just not a taluka of Goa, but I would say one of the beautiful natural treasures of Goa. And like respected President and Dr. Gowde has told you, this is beyond Goa, beyond beaches. Because Goa is not only about sun, sand and sea, it is, we do have forests, we have our wildlife sanctuaries, we have 5 wildlife sanctuaries, a national park, we have a zoo, we have a bird sanctuary in Goa, which many people don't know. People think Goa is only about the beach and sun and sea, but this is when you come here and when you trek here, you come to know how beautiful this place is. When you stay here, I know that it is not 5-star luxury or whatever, you know, it's not 5-star luxury. But my people here are 5-star people. Each one of them beyond 5-star, I think more than 7-star, because they are such good people. We call them our family. They are my family, and they're going to welcome you with open arms, and they're going to be there for you the entire month and a half. You're going to be staying here. Thank you for choosing Thane Panchayat. I want to congratulate the president and his entire team for really gives me immense pride and pleasure that I am inaugurating your 13th trekking expedition. And it's no small feat to organize it every year, and with people from different parts of India. So really, I think this is spreading Ek Bharat, Shresh Bharat, and when we call our Bharat, when we say unity in diversity, this is what unity in diversity is, Ek Bharat, Shresh Bharat. Because here we are people from different parts of India, speaking different languages, of different faiths, different cultures, different traditions, and we all come together in this beautiful Sattari Taluka, and you're going to be spending time together, and my people are going to be there to welcome you and to take care of you, anything you need. Our forest department is here, but I think even Dr. Dowdy said, this is age of digital, social media, AI, digital media, but this you really need to detoxify, and this is detoxification that is going to take place for the next 1.5 months. You'll have network here, but when you go towards the waterfalls, there will be no network, and I think when you do trekking is just to become one with nature, to discover oneself, I think, and that's why we all do trekking. And it's of course going to be great for each one's health, to take care. I think it teaches us discipline, it teaches us when you're together as a group, it teaches us leadership, I think leadership qualities, and when all of us, I would request you that be in a group, when you're going, please follow the guidelines of the forest department, and safety is our top priority. We have kept trekkers, we have kept guides at all the waterfalls, but please follow the trails, please follow the treks that the forest department has shortlisted for you and they marked for you. Do not venture out, because after all it's a sanctuary. There are wild animals, you don't get to see them often, but it is a sanctuary after all. There are different kind of animals here, different kind of reptiles, and beautiful birds which you can enjoy. And enjoy the flora and fauna of this beautiful taluka, beautiful sanctuary. Enjoy the waterfalls, and thank you once again. I want to thank the president and the sports director for organizing this every year in our taluka, every year in my Thane Panchayat, because thanks to your Siddharth, my panchayat is, I think, for a month and a half, you're creating employment here. You're promoting hinterland tourism, and hopefully you're going to take a part of Sattari with you and promote it all across India, I'm sure. And I think we're going to have more tourists coming here, the way thousands of people flock into the beaches of Goa. I'm sure, I don't know, thousands flocking here, but at least lots of people to come here and create awareness about our beautiful hinterland, because when they organize this for a month and a half, you are creating, you're not, I think they have not understood, but the amount of employment we have created, the amount of revenue that is getting generated for the panchayat. So I thank you once again and your entire team for doing this, because you are employing local guides, you are employing the women to cook and take care of us. So that is creating self-empowerment for women. The youth and the women are getting empowered because of one trekking expedition that is happening once a year. So if we do this time and again, and if we promote our rural tourism, which we believe that when we promote tourism, and when we do development in these forest areas, we see that development happens with conservation. And we believe in sustainable ecotourism. We are promoting ecotourism, but in a sustainable manner. Whatever you see development happening there, whether it's the toilet facilities, changing rooms, or steps or bridges, they are all eco-friendly. They've just been got and installed there. It can be removed at any time and place. So thank you for creating this opportunity for our beautiful panchayat here, employing our locals, giving opportunity for the women for local employment and the local guides to take care of you. Please follow the rules and regulations. Enjoy our every trek, enjoy every waterfall. Please do give me your feedback because we have kept people to take care of garbage as well. So we have kept garbage collectors, we have kept trekkers, we have kept guides there. So untoward incidents don't happen. But when you go into the forest, I think we just have to be one with nature and take back nothing but memories and just leave nothing but our footprints there. So I think, and we do have our people, but I think each one of us has to have our civic sense. And I'm sure, I remember every time, a few years back, when we didn't have these facilities, I remember your president telling me that we all used to carry bags and bags of garbage back to the panchayat and back, used to collect from the waterfalls, and which was very, very disturbing because we have such beautiful waterfalls, we have such beautiful rivers, we have such beautiful streams and beautiful nature right here in our midst, and we have to take care of the nature because nature, I think, looks after us. And we have to give back to nature in our own way by looking after it. And I think each one of us can do a little bit for nature and for all the trees and the natural treasure that Goa has. And we have so many sanctuaries, and I'm not talking only about preserving our Made sanctuary, all the other sanctuaries of Goa as well. I think each one of us, whenever we visit them, if you visit here or you go to other sanctuaries as well across India and across Goa as well, please look after our natural treasures and I think promote what you do here with other people so each one of us can promote a little bit of I think sustainable ecotourism and looking after our nature and being part of nature and taking a bit of this nature back home with us, all these memories back home with us and taking back all these memories of our beautiful Satpuri back home and promoting it across India and across the globe. Like Shri Joshi said, Thane is already on the world map and hopefully it gets promoted more and more and other parts of Satpuri as well. So because that will give local employment and create a lot of opportunities for my local youth because besides the sanctuaries and besides we don't have too many job opportunities here, we depend either on like tourists who come into the forests and promote interland tourism or we depend on government to give us jobs. We have just two small IDCs as part of Satpuri Taluka which don't have that great such big industries or small scale industries. But when tourists start coming here, like how the coastal belt has developed, if tourists start coming and promoting our forests and our waterfalls and our rivers and our streams, I'm sure there will be a lot of development we see just like the coastal belt. But this development, I'm sure, unlike the coastal belt, will be in a regulated manner and a beautiful manner and without preserving our nature and our beauty of our forests. Thank you once again for giving us this opportunity. Thank you for coming into our beautiful Satpuri Taluka. Thank you to the President and thank you to the Sports Director for supporting Thane Panchayat. Thank you Shri Joshi for supporting Thane Panchayat and giving us this opportunity to welcome you and to host you. And please enjoy yourselves and hope you have an enjoyable, memorable and beautiful experience of Thane and Satpuri and you take back great memories back with you. be safe and enjoy each and every day that you are here. Thank you once again to the association and Jai Hind, Jai Guru.